I'm gonna share how to make traditional matcha with the Fellow Matcha Set. So first, we wanna take our matcha and measure out roughly 2 grams, which equates to about 3 to 3.5 scoops from the Fellow Chashaku. This set has this really interesting sifter. So we're gonna place this over the bowl and we're gonna sift our matcha into the tea bowl. And this will ensure that we have a really smooth final product. It'll work out any clumps, any of the static electricity that has built up in the matcha. So this is a really important step. Next, we're going to add 60 cc's of hot water, which is right around 2 ounces. And it's really important to make sure we're not using too much water or we won't be able to get that really fine foam when we whisk. So next, we take our chasen, our bamboo tea whisk, and we're going to support the tea bowl with our non-dominant hand and then whisk vigorously in sort of a Z shape with the tea whisk. And this may take some practice, but the key is to really get the RPMs going and try and keep a nice, even rhythm. Finally, we're gonna pour into our glass and make sure to get every last drop. And that's how you make a traditional matcha with the Fellow Matcha Kit.